Hi there. This video is an extension of the last video that I had recorded. Now you can see the last video in the link below. I'm going to talk about finding matching elements between two lists. This is a very common business problem that you will be solving. The reason is because most systems will have the problem where you receive the data from two different systems and you need to find the matching elements between the systems. The challenge here is that the two systems have got different data formats and will have different sets of fields, and the only common field might be an ID field that you need to find. So let's look at this code that I have written already for you. So we have two different sources. The first source has got three elements with phone numbers 111, 222 and 333. Second list, the new source phone numbers, it have two different elements 111 and 333. So we need to find matching phone numbers within this thing. We use the streams API, start the stream and then filter out if what are the elements does contains the elements present in new source, and once they get the elements we just collect them to a list, and when we run this we should get the true thing. As you see, the test has passed. What that means is that the only thing that we had done is we had used this contains method. So this contains method, if you look at the documentation, you will find it will go and check for the equals method, and what we had done the last time round was we had gone and overridden this equal method to check only for phone numbers. So if the phone numbers are matching, then we set the two objects are set to be matching, and because of that the actual code that we have are very small. So that's it. If you like what you saw, then please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye.